How to get promo code for KFC. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Google application on your device. Go to its search bar and type the keywords promo code for KFC. Then after hit the enter key. In the results you will see a lot of websites providing you free coupons to use in KFC. Click on any one of the website and explore the offers and coupons provided to you to enjoy the discount in KFC. After that, click on any one of the offer and then you will see the option to copy the code or either directly the KFC application will open on your device. As you can see, now the offer has been activated. So you can click on the option of go to KFC website and enjoy the offer. So that's it. Just like that, you will be able to get promo code for KFC. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.